Hey guys, welcome back. Today is the first lesson. We're going to be solving equations. We're going to solve by factoring, and then we're going to look at equations that have no solutions. Let's get started. Alright, here we have a very basic equation. Here we have 3x minus 7 equal to 5. Well, what we want to know is find out what x is. So, we need to get rid of the 3, and we need to get rid of that minus 7. Now, here our first step is going to be to get rid of anything that's adding or subtracting first. So in this case, we have a minus 7. So let's get rid of that. That means that we need to send whatever's here on the left side over to the right side. Remember, when I say left or right side, I'm talking about the equal sign. Remember, the equal sign splits in between the left and the right side. So, to get rid of a minus 7, I'll go ahead and add 7. Now remember, you have an equation. That means you need to keep things balanced. So, add 7 on the left side. That means I add 7 on the right side. Notice that I didn't touch that 3x. Since I didn't touch it at all, I'm going to go ahead and bring it down. So I have 3x. Now here this says negative 7 plus 7, which is 0. So technically it looks like this. Plus 0. But we know that adding 0 to anything stays the same, even if it's just a variable. So, adding 0, we don't need to show it. We need to get it out of there. So, we just have 3x. My equal sign is still here. So, 3x is equal to 5 plus 7. I can simplify that. 5 plus 7 is 12. So this is what I have now. 3x is equal to 12. That 3 is still bothering that x, so I need to get rid of it. This says 3 times x. Whenever you have a number next to a letter, it means that they're multiplying. Since I need to move this 3 to the other side, I'll do the opposite. Divide by 3. Remember, keep things balanced. And go to the other side. Divide by 3. 3 divided by 3, technically it's 1. So technically this is a 1x. Here's my equal sign. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Now, like I said, technically it's a 1. So it's 1x equals to 4. But anything times 1 stays the same. So I don't need to show this, and you need to get in the habit of not showing it. So x is equal to 4 is my final answer. Alright, go ahead and pause the video and try these numbers out. The answers are coming up in 3, 2, 1. Alright, here are your answers. I hope you got them right. Here's a little challenge question. See if you can do it before I do it. I'm going to start doing it in 3, 2, 1. Notice that I have the variables on the left and the right side. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to choose whether I either move the 4n to the left side or the 2n to the right side. Whatever way you choose, it doesn't matter. You're going to get the same answer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move the 2n to the right side. Why? Just so I can keep my variable positive. So, minus 2n minus 2n. Anything I didn't touch, I'm going to bring down. So 3, this is gone now. There's my equal sign. 4n minus 2n. Now notice that I can only subtract 2n from another end. Here I'm collecting like terms. So think about it like this. I have 4 things, and I'm taking 2 things away. Well, now I have 2n. 2n. And I didn't touch this. I couldn't touch it. So I just bring it down. Plus 7. So this is kind of like one of the ones we had before, but our variable's on the right side. It doesn't matter. So what I'll do now, I'll either get rid of the 2 or the 7. What I want to do is get rid of that 7. So plus 7, that's going to be a minus 7 on the right side. So keep your equation balanced. In my equal sign, I didn't touch 2n, So I bring it down. And so I do 3 minus 7. So that's negative 4. So I'm saying that negative 4 is equal to 2n. Well, I don't want 2n, I just want n. So get rid of that 2. Divide by 2. Divide by 2. Your final answer is n equal to negative 2. Alright, here we're looking at an equation where we need to factor.